So, hi guys, it is with a heavy heart that I come to you today to say that Elaine and Shelly will not be running in the Brussels Diamond League race. It's a 200-meter race, and they decided that they were going to pull out of this race and let Shericka, do her thing. Shericka is now going to be running solo for the Jamaica. I know it has been the trio all this time. It has been Elaine, Shelly, Shericka, or Shelly, Elaine, Shericka, but now I think there's a reason for everything, and we look at Shericka to now bring home the gold. She is great, she's amazing, she has been completely and utterly consistent, and we look forward to her doing her best because it has been really tough on all of them, and we just want her to do her best, and we'll be proud any way we put it. But of course, I'm going to mention that she has rivalry. Shacarri Richardson is back with a vengeance. She is not letting up, and she is going for gold as well. She is saying, I'm not done. So let's see, once Elaine and Shelly are out of the mix, what would happen. I personally want to see what happens and what goes down on the track, because Shacarri has always been the person to be chatting off her mouth. So we're going to see if she can put her money where her mouth is where this is concerned. She has all opportunity today. She has a second chance. And we're going to just see if she learned her lesson, if she's now humble, if she, oh God, I can only foresee what is going to go down. But we look forward to the race. I know I am very, very, very invested in this one, especially since we have a solo Jamaican. Every Jamaican, all the world supporters of Jamaican persons, please put together and start praying, because we are going to take the gold. I call it already. We're going to take the gold. Shacarri is going to come in after Shericka. So yeah, we're gonna take the gold. Elaine has not yet given an official report as to why she has pulled out the race, as well as Shelly. She hasn't said why she isn't going to run this race, but as I said, we are looking forward to the best race, one of the best races, of the century, where Shericka knows why. She is the best at what she does in the 200 meter. I am going to be on my eyelash waiting for this race, and my pot cover is already shined. And not to mention, you have likes of Dina Smith from the UK. She will also be running on the track. So, you have a great lineup. I am so excited. Like, September can't come fast enough. What do you guys think? Do you think that Shericka would be bringing home the gold? Do you think Shacarri will be giving her all within this race? Do you think Dina would be coming in second or first? There's so much to consider. And what do you guys think of Elaine pulling out of the race and Shelly not running either? Like, Jesus knows that I don't know what to think. So guys, tell me what you think in the comments, and we'll start a conversation.